Hugasan lang siguro, no? Hindi, hugasan ko na lang. Pero mag-iabkong na. No.
Is the bacon ubos?
No. Ay, dilat mo.
The one I got from the school?
Oh, that last time? Oh, ang konti lang. Oh, giluto na bitaw ko.
How about the big one?
There's a lot.
I want to make
Sila,
Muffin.
ask ni Kuan, ni ate. Kasi nagluluto siya bacon kanina.
huh?
Parang nagluluto siya kanina ng bacon.
Bacon?
Sabi mo bacon.
Yeah, why do you say bacon?
Bacon. Tanong tanas ate lagi. Ano?
20 times 30.
Dahil pumunday It's hard po. It's hard pa lang. Lagyan ko natin. It's hard pa lang. Langka.
What is that? Jackfruit?
Yeah.
Is this cup? Nah. Where is this cup?
What is that?
This one.
No,
Is this seed?
I will put it.
Is this seed?
Huh? Seeds, yeah.
Can I eat it?
No. I will cook that. I will boil it. Sis Marida. Hello, Sisi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pulo ko kalagay. Sis, ito yung ano sis. Langka. May langka akong nabili sis. Akala, ano na to siya? Hinog na, hinog. Ayan o. Ito yung ano niya. Anong tawag doon? Ana, sisi o. Jackfruit, hinog na. Pero yan yung ano niya. Ang tamis. Yummy! Andito yung buto ng langka. Pastilan. Kain tayo. Gahit ba man? Guys! Vlogger ka na guys. Tukan ko eh.
Guys! 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 Meron guys oh! Guys! I'm happy! I will drink it.
Uy, malambot na pala.